Now, your forecast from Fox 56 News, the weather authority.
Well, it was a gray and rainy start to our weekend, and some of those clouds have decided to stick around, especially in Somerset and Lexington. They're clearing out slowly but surely. Paris and Richmond are looking pretty clear, but we could see some more clouds and precipitation as we go throughout much of tonight. Our temperatures outside right now, a lot of us are already sitting in those low to mid 30s. Some areas off in eastern Kentucky are still sitting in the 40s. Those temperatures are going to drop, but we're dropping from the 50s today. Boonville even almost got to 60. So we're cooling off from those beautiful temperatures we had this past week, and we can see those rain showers are moving away, but what do we have behind it? Some snow coming in, and that's where we're going to get a lot of our cold air for the upcoming week and even for your Sunday. A lot of that snow is going to start to move in later tonight, early tomorrow morning with that cloud cover. Some heavier pockets are going to start to move in more so around 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock in the morning. Now, with all of this snow, the ground is still very warm from this past week. So on the roadways, it's going to remain pretty warm. So we're not worried about accumulation on the roads, but some minor accumulation is possible on elevated surfaces and grass. But with these heavier pockets, we're concerned about low visibility, especially with gusts of winds up to 29 miles per hour. And that could significantly impact your travel time. So just take your time, especially if you run into some of those heavier pockets. By early afternoon, most of that snow and cloud cover will be moving out and leaving us with a relatively nice Sunday before we start to go into Monday, which again is looking very nice until we get late into Monday, and that's when some clouds do start to move back in. Our next big thing is going to start moving in around Wednesday into Thursday, and that is another round of rain and potentially some snow as we get more moisture up from the southwest actually. And then we've got that cold front that's just going to move in and help things in the atmosphere to get some more snow and maybe even some wintry mix moving back in as we go throughout Wednesday, Thursday, and even into Friday. Overall tonight though, we're going to drop into those upper 20s and low 30s. Chance of showers definitely cooler, and we're continuing to have those strong winds. Tomorrow, again, strong winds. Highs are going to sit in those 30s for us. Very cold and blustery with those winds as well. When it's 29 degrees at 8 a.m., it's going to feel more like 18. So you're definitely going to want to layer up. Now, for the rest of your weekend, it's going to be cold, and then we get to dry out and get a slight warm up as that warm air starts to move in. And then we're back into those 30s to round out next week and start off your weekend. Stay with us. We've got more after the break.